Hi guys, welcome to Family Time with Kalburgi. Please do like and share and comment.
Hello friends, today I'm going to show you ginger paneer. For that you need 4 big onions, oil, pinch of color, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, coriander, paneer, onion paste. This is I have already fried it in golden brown and made a paste of it. So to cut short the process, I'll be show. So now we can begin the process, and also we need salt, vinegar, chili sauce, red chili sauce, and dark soya sauce. And also we need green chili sauce for this. So as I don't have green chili sauce, I have while frying the onion, I have added 10 to 15 green chilies in this and grinded it. So now we'll begin the process. Heat the pan. Add little bit of oil. As I've already deep fried the onion, so not much oil is required in this. Once the oil is heated, add onion paste, golden brown onion paste. Then add half cup of ginger garlic paste. Half cup is almost or equal to 4 to 5 tablespoons. Fry this ginger garlic paste and brown onion paste till the ginger garlic paste is completely cooked, so that the raw smell is completely out of it. After 10 to 15 minutes of time, it's completely cooked and turned its color into golden brown. So, and I think you can see the oil is also oozing out of it. So I'm adding little more oil to it. Add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Tablespoons of red chili paste. If you doesn't have red chili paste, after adding green chili paste, you can add red chili powder also. Adding 4 tablespoons of soya sauce. Add salt according to your taste, but make sure that you're adding very little salt because already the sauces will be have a salt in it. So add very little salt. Finally, add a pinch of red color. It is optional. You're cooking until the oil leaves. So finally, adding coriander. You may require at least 2 bunches of coriander to it. And this masala can be stored up to 6 months in a refrigerator. And also for the same masala, instead of paneer, you can add green peas. Once boil the green peas and add it to this masala. So now I'm adding 200 grams of paneer to it. Cook for another 5 to 10 minutes of time. Now it's completely cooked. I'm just transferring it into a bowl. And garnishing it with an coriander. Hot ginger paneer.
Hot ginger paneer is ready. You can serve this ginger paneer with garlic naan, roti, butter naan, and also rice.